So I saw at one time a guy actually started a cooking video from his shower. I thought it'd be kind of cool to do it too. Welcome to episode 5 of Uncle Dan's Summer Games. Scotty Buns is Steel here from Rock 94.5. So we always start this out, but this one you really want to wash your hands with because we will be using raw materials. So get yourself some nice hot water because washing your hands is safety best. Okay, so we're gonna make our way to the kitchen. This is going to be a Uncle Dan's Italian breakfast roll. It's going to have meat in it because we can. It's going to have cheese and other goodness, and of course, Uncle Dan's Italian seasoning. So we'll start off in the kitchen, not so much the shower. One of the ingredients is Cougar Gold white cheddar cheese. This stuff is hard to find. You kind of got to know some people down in Whitman County, FYI. So this is, if you haven't had Cougar Gold white cheddar cheese yet, this is the bomb.com. Look it up, it's on the interweb. Get yourself a nice big old chunk of cheese on it. It's going to melt down just fine. Sausage links, pre-cooked or just cook them yourself. Don't do them raw. That's not going to be a good thing either. This is 6 total eggs with about a half a teaspoon of Uncle Dan's Italian seasoning mix. It's good stuff. Get yourself a nice little chunk right up here on top. And of course, you gotta have bacon! Pre-cooked bacon or cook it yourself, that's just fine too. This is my infamous pre-cooked stuff. Go ahead and roll up your croissant roll. This is just a pre-made croissant. There's usually 8 of them. If you want to make your own croissants, that's just fine. You do you, boo. Work all the way on over here. Here's some more of the raw materials. This is just a beaten egg. You're gonna add about a half a tablespoon of Uncle Dan's Italian to it. I like saying Italian. It makes me sound fancy, like Giada De Laurentiis, but uglier. You will want to baste your croissant with the Uncle Dan's mix of egg. See, this is something anybody can do. And I'm not a cook. I only play one on TV. I don't stay at a Holiday Inn Express either. So get yourself nice and basted. Get yourself also cooking spray and a cookie sheet. You're gonna be cooking this at approximately 350 degrees for 20 minutes. It says 12 to 15 on the rolls. You're gonna actually wanna do about 20 minutes. So throw them on in. You're doing bake at 350. Start that beast up, timer of 20 minutes, and then rock and roll. 20 minutes later, you got yourself a very delicious set of Uncle Dan's Italian breakfast rolls with sausage, Uncle Dan's eggs, and bacon. Now, these are absolutely delectable, Buffy. Take one of these bad boys, serve them up to your friends and your family, especially with the Cougar Gold white cheddar cheese right there in the center of it. That is absolutely delicious. Uncle Dan's salad dressings, dips, and seasonings. Go ahead and dip in mine. And just a little bit of maple syrup. That is hot. But you know what? That's delicious. That's Uncle Dan's. I'm talking with my mouth full. Don't judge me. You've never been to law school. Uncle Dan's Italian crescent rolls with Uncle Dan's eggs, sausage, and of course, Cougar Gold white cheddar cheese. All right, I gotta go. I gotta eat. Your shot, Roadhouse. Good luck, son. Ha ha.